Hello friends, today we are going to learn one of the rising star in the share market. The stock name is Indo Borax and Chemicals Limited. Its market cap is 300 crore. Current price is rupees 935. 52 weeks high is rupees 936. 52 weeks low is 185. Stock PE is 11.2, which is very low. I will explain why it is very low compared to its industry PS. Book value is rupees 464, so it is trading 2 times its book value. Dividend yield is 0.21. It is going to give a bigger dividend this time. I am going to explain that as well. ROC is 16.5%, which is very good. ROE is 12.5%, which is very good. Face value is rupees 10. I'm going to share the news where it is going to change from face value rupees 10 to other. If you see here, it is rising star. Its price was rupees 192 last year June 2020. And if you see here, it is keep on increasing, and now in May, today is 1st June, and it has reached rupees 1121. It has given back to back upper circuit, 20% upper circuit. We will see what is the news, why this share is rising star. Pros: company has reduced debt, it is almost debt free. Cons: company has low return on equity, that is 13.74% for last 3 years. It is going to change. It is making tremendous profit quarter on quarter. We will see there. If you see quarterly results, in June 2018 its sale was 34. And if you see here, in December 2020, the sale was 47. Operating profit started with June 2018, 7 crore. If you see, in December, it is increased to 13 crore. Similarly, profit after tax. If you see, in June 2018, it was 8 crore. And in December 2020 it is 14 crore. Its EPS is almost double in December 2020, and in March 2021 it is going to give super result where you can estimate around 14 plus crore profit before tax, net profit 12 plus crore, EPS increasing around 33 plus. So if you compare here, year on year sale, it is increasing. So in March 2009 it was 40, and if you see here March 2020 it is 115. So operating profit, sales, profit before tax, profit after tax, it is increasing. If you see here EPS, that is also increasing. So last year it was 52.82, and last 4 quarter it is 83.68, which is very super. And compared to its EPS, it is most undervalued stock. I will say why. Let us see. Its share capital is only 3 crore and EPS is 83. Now imagine this small cap company where it will take us to the next level. If you invest or have this share, keep this gem with you. There are some news, positive news, which I am going to explain. If you see here, ROC is 17%, that is good. Debtor days are reduced. Inventory turnovers are improved. And shareholding pattern, if you see promoter holding 55.42 consistently, so they are not pledged any share, they are not increased or they are not decreased also. So the first trigger which I am explaining, they are going to declare a dividend. That is point number 1. I am expecting very good dividend. Point number 2, they are going to split the equity share from rupees 10 to rupees 1 or rupees 2. Most probably they will go for rupees 1. And they will also declare quarterly and annual result on 14th June. So they are going to declare annual result, they are going to declare dividend, they are going to declare split. These are all positive. Why? And their growth also very good. I am going to explain. If you see their website indoborax.com, they are synonym for boric acid. They have a large capacity for boric acid. Boric acid usage is very high. I will explain you why. So they have product borax. Its uses are, it is used in metallurgical operation, in steel industry. It is also used in fertilizers as micronutrients. So both these category are emerging. If you see, the commodity cycles are turning positive from last 2 quarters. So this commodity cycle normally will have 3 to 4 years boom period. So it is just started and it will continue to have this boom period. Along with steel industry, this borax crystal is used. Its usage is also getting increased. And also if you see, the profitability and the revenue of steel industries are increased. If you see all steel industry shares result, their growth in last 2-3 quarters, their results, their profits all increasing. So just imagine the potential. Similarly in fertilizers, so there is a shortfall of boric acid in soil, and if you mix this as a micronutrients, then the yield will be very good. So there is a normal monsoon expected. Fertilizer sector also booming because more and more people are focusing on agriculture. So this usage of this product borax crystal is very good. That's the reason you are seeing their revenue, their profitability is increasing. Similarly, they have another product, boric acid. They are used in eye wash, ointment, foot powder, shampoo, skin cream, mouthwash, veterinary formulation. So these sector also you need boric acid. So this section also is growing very well. Similarly, if you see borax, there is another product. If you see here, borax dehydrate granular, it is used in glass fiber, ceramics. Now you know, due to COVID-19, vaccination is more important. To vaccinate, the vaccines are kept in glass tubes. So there is a heavy demand for glass tubes. So this borax granular is used for that purpose as one of the raw material. So this is very positive. Similarly, you can see in welding and brazing steel industry, this is being used. Steel industry, I already explained, it is booming. It is in commodity booming cycle. So this also will grow. Dishwashing product, soap, detergent, this is a regular one which you need to use. Lubricants, grinding wheels, adhesives, this is also growing. Fertilizers, so this is another emerging trend, and there is a vast opportunity exist for borax granular. as the demand for fertilizers increases, the usage, people understand the need for good soil. Soil should have boric acid, some content. Then they will use as micronutrients. It is also used in leather, boron chemicals. So these are all industry are booming. So the demand for borax granular also will go up. And one of the most important another product which they recently introduced is lithium hydroxide. This is used in manufacturing of lubricating greases, specialty resins, as component of electrolyte in alkaline batteries. This is key. Starting material for other lithium compounds. Please observe this. This is very key. As chemical agent in esterification. So these three are very important. Why? Government focus on electric vehicles. So they are discouraging older vehicles. They are encouraging electric vehicles for good environment, clean environment. And today you have seen one news. Battery operated vehicles to be exempted from RC issue, renewal fees in new government proposal. So the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has issued a draft notification proposing to exempt battery operated vehicles from payment of fee for issue or renewal of registration certificate. So this is going to be boom. Next generation, next couple of years, you will see more and more focus on electric vehicles, electric battery. And in electric battery, lithium batteries are used. When you use lithium, then see lithium hydroxide monohydrate. This company is one of the company which is producing this. So demand for alkaline batteries, demand for lithium compounds increasing. And if you see lithium hydroxide monohydrate, the demand and the price are increasing month on month. There is a trend, increasing trend. And it is going to increase because the demand for lithium batteries are increasing. The raw materials very difficult to get. It is not available in India. This company is leveraging another factor is instead of sourcing small quantity, they are leveraging in bulk raw materials. Hence it is helping their bottom line. So top line also will improve when government gives more focus to electric vehicles. So demand for alkaline batteries, lithium batteries are increasing. So this is going to boom. This small cap company which is having 3 crore capital is going to become multi-bagger. It is already become multi-bagger. So it will going to become another multi-bagger. Let us see in BSE side. If you see here today, it has made 52 weeks high. In last 2 days, it has given 40%. Okay. 6 months back it was 369. Now see here, it is rupees 1121. Okay. So its price brand is 20%. Market cap is small. It's a small cap company. EPS is 85. It is expected to increase 100 plus. Okay. So you will not get this share in this price. So again, I have told you the good news. Board meeting. They are declaring the dividend. They are declaring the annual and quarterly result, and they are also going to split the share capital from face value 10. So they are going to do this announcement on 14 June. So 2 weeks time, 14 June, you are going to see price of rupees 2000 plus before the split, and after split, when people will make profit taking, it will come down a little bit, and again it will make rupees 250, considering it face value will be split from rupees 10 to rupees 1. So this is going to be a rising star. Already it is a star. We are giving the name rising star. Already given 40% returns in 2 days. It is going to normalize in trading around rupees 2000, where the split will occur. Then again it will boom. The reason is this government focus on clean energy, electric vehicles, lithium battery demand is going to increase, and this is one of the company, India's one company, which is producing lithium hydroxide monohydrate. So please do your research. This is a gem which will give great returns. Please do your research before investing. Thank you.